Let's discuss installing SideQuest VR on your Quest 2 headset. Go to SideQuestVR.com and locate the Get SideQuest option in the upper menu. Scroll down on this page and locate the Easy Installer. You're going to select the Easy Install download and let that run. Once the download has completed, you want to go ahead and run that. It may take a moment or two to load up on its first run, but just go ahead and be patient, let it load up, and once the application opens, just follow the instructions. So essentially, the first set of instructions says to connect the headset to your USB cable to your computer. Once you do so, assuming everything goes well, you should see the green check in here indicating that it's connected. If not, jump into your headset and check to see if you have this prompt asking to allow access to the device. If so, just say allow. Then come back to your computer and click the button right there. Mine shows us a reinstall because I already have the application installed. If this is your first time, you'll have the option to install the app to the headset. So take that option, and then once you've received confirmation that that's been completed, put your headset on, jump into the app library, and go up in the upper right-hand corner and go down to Unknown Sources. You do have to have Unknown Sources checked in order to run this as a side-loaded application. Scroll down the list, find SideQuest, and then once you launch it, you should be able to see the interface for the SideQuest app, where you can install any of the applications you so choose, your custom homes, check out your download queue, and navigate through some of the other settings here in SideQuest. So that's essentially how you install SideQuest using your Windows PC. So you no longer have to connect it directly to the PC to add load apps.